Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. And once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called vibration. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here we have the vibration intensity. Before you tap on it, make sure that the vibration is enabled. Once it is, tap on vibration intensity. And here we have 3 levels of vibration, or three levels of vibration strength, I would say. We have soft, standard, and strong. Select the one you like, and then you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.